Hello everybody, welcome back to another short video, and in this video I'm going to explore what is the most likely average monthly performance in equities S&P 500 the next year 2026. The motivation why I have done this research, this is my original one, the motivation comes from my clashes with the 4-year cycle people, because the 4-year cycle people, they are basically very bearish about 2026. Because the 4-year cycle theory says that we are going to have a bear year the next year, as you can also see from this beautiful overview from CryptoCon in front of you. So what I've done is the research is that I took all the year from 1950 in the S&P 500 and I handpicked every single year where I saw over 20% correction, and then I measured what was the next year average performance. So if we had a 20% correction since 1950, then the next year is in my table, in this table over here in front of you. Then there is basically monthly S&P 500 performance, and from these monthly performances I have calculated average and the mean. Then I have even made a simulation for you, and I have basically measured that if we start the next year around 6,300 S&P 500, which we are today, if we start the next year around there, which I think is quite likely, then we are going to have basically beautiful steady rise throughout whole 2026 with a very powerful Q1, then a long sideways Q2, Q3, and then very powerful Q4. And basically we will end the year around 7,000. So say 7,000 is indeed coming, but in my opinion it's not going to be this year, but the next year, and it could actually be as late as the late next year. Also, needless to say that if we see the 7,000 really super fast for some reason, even this year, then maybe I would really reconsider my outlook for the next year. But overall, again, the results are not surprising. These results, this research that I have just done is not showing a bearish 2026, but plentiful and very prosperous.